Peter Obi ti sọ̀rọ̀ gbá President Bola Tinubu o. Ó fọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ránṣẹ́ sí i pé àwọn adarí tó bá ń ṣe fake certificate wọn ò lè ṣe nǹkan gidi lọ́nà tó tọ́ ní Nàìjíríà. Presidential candidate of Labour Party LP Peter Obi was speaking in an interview on Arise TV on Monday when he slammed Tinubu over his fake certificate saga. Ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú rèé láti ẹnu Peter Obi sí President Bola Tinubu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ forged certificate. Kí wá níyàtọ̀ láàrin fake certificate tí Bola Tinubu àti Mesoma tó yí JAMB score ẹ̀ láti 249 sí 362. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP Peter Obi, said leaders who forge certificates cannot do things right in Nigeria. This is true. They have no exemplary leadership, and that's the problem of Nigeria, if we have to say the fact. If anybody is caught in the act of forgery, in the issue of fake certificates, then what do you expect when it comes to leadership? There might be serious problems. Listen to what Peter Obi has to say about his own certificate, that his own academic records can be verified, unlike that of the president.
All the talents and everything all over the world. It's a question of the leadership have to show it. You have to start by saying, my name is Peter Obi. I'm from this town. I went to this primary school, this secondary school, this university, and people can. They're very important. You know, when Chika was saying my CV, he said Harvard. I said, no, Chika, I did a program in Harvard. I'm an alumnus of Oxford and Cambridge. It can go and be verified.
Verified.
I don't need to put injunction for you not to see it. Go and tell them in Nsukka whether they'll give you my transcript. These are things we must. And we must do it and say, this is who we are. Because that's what makes us.
The issue of qualification is the issue of leaders making statements, doing things that are honest and truthful. This is an issue of honor and integrity. It is the foundation on which you build society. If you look at what is happening in Nigeria today, there's so many issues of certificates, age, all sorts of one falsification or the other, all over, within the leaders. There's no way people can doing this and be able to do the right things, because that means they live in a falsified life.
Remember how Mesoma forged her result? The question is, JAMB eventually withdrew her result, and now look at the Tinubu's case, where the certificate he presented to INEC is not from Chicago State University as he claims. So what's the difference between these two people? One is a grandfather, the other is a granddaughter.
This is my aggregate 362. This is exactly how I printed it. I downloaded it from that site. So they now saying that I forged my results is what I don't know, and I'm traumatized that they accused me of forging my own results, because I'm not capable of this forging results. This is the evidence. Okay, they say that I forged my results. They scanned this QR code there, and it showed another name, a Yoruba name, Omotola Afolabi 138, and that same person that got 138, they checked again, the person got 338, meaning that there is problem somewhere. I'm a brilliant girl. It's not that I'm an illiterate person that will go and forge her results, because I'm not intelligent to impress people. I've been taking first position since my nursery school, and even my common entrance, it was 300 and something.
I will discover that this result is very easy for candidate to mutilate. You just scan it, you use graphics, and then you change the numbers, and then you begin to parade it around. It does not affect anything that we have on the database, because I've seen a lot of narrative out there. But people are, let me answer. People are getting so many things wrong. It does not affect what is in the database. It's only the slip they are parading around. Yeah, look at it. You see that there's a QR code there. Yes. That QR code is the result. This QR code is the result. But I scanned this QR code. Whatever you're seeing there is a reflection, interpretation of the QR code or the QR code. So now, if you scan the QR code, you will see the owner of the result. And the owner of the result scored 138 in 2021.
bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ ó lóun wà traumatized ó ní problem wà somewhere bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lóòótọ́ ni problem wà tí ó bá ń ṣe pé problem wà nínú àwọn institution wa tó wà ní nàìjíríà tí ó bá ń ṣe pé problem wà nínú àwọn systems tó wà ní nàìjíríà àti educational system o àti political system o problem wà ń bẹ̀ òun náà ní irú ọmọ yìí ṣe lè ní ìgboyà láti change score ẹ̀ láti 249 sí 362 á tún wá sórí social media láti máa sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé òun wà traumatized á tún máa sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé problem wà. In fact ọmọ yìí ó yẹ kó di granddaughter President Bola Tinubu ni nítorí ọmọ yìí gbóná bí ajere because they have almost the same case of forgery. Where is Wole Soyinka? Where are other intellectuals? They should come and intervene in this matter. They know how to talk about issues like this. Most of the time people say this is about leadership failure. Truly, they are not wrong. It is because our institutions are not effective. Our leadership system is a total mess. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ tọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó ń bọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó ń dàgbà nígbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn àgbàlagbà gan tọwọ́ bọ̀ nǹkan burúkú àwọn àgbàlagbà là ń bá níbi ìwà tí ò dáa. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ build a good nation? How can we continue to be the giant of Africa? Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé giant of Africa náà ni ìwà burúkú pọ̀ sí. Ibo la fẹ́ fi orí wa sí? Ibo la ti fẹ́ lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ ní Africa àti ní gbogbo àgbáyé? Drop your comments, whatever you think. Remember to follow us for more stories, like, comment and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.